My dear students of class 10, we are going to start now the new chapter of chemistry, that is carbon and its compounds. This is a very interesting chapter, and we are going to start with the first topic of this chapter, that is about carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6, means there are total 6 electrons and total 6 protons in an atom of carbon. That's why we can say that its atomic number is 6. So the electronic configuration according to the concept of class 9 is 2, 4, means 2 electrons will revolve in the first orbit and the remaining 4 electrons will revolve in the next orbit. That is, total 6 electrons are there. Carbon only forms covalent compounds. It does not form ionic compound because of 2 reasons. The first reason is that carbon does not lose 4 electrons to form C4 plus ion, because to remove 4 electrons, tremendous amount of energy is needed, which is not possible. Means if carbon wants to form cation, that is by losing 4 electrons to form C4 plus cation, then to remove 4 electrons from one atom of carbon, a tremendous amount of energy is needed, which is practically not possible. That's why carbon is not capable of forming C4 plus cation. Moreover, carbon does not gain 4 electrons to form C4 minus ion, because then it would be very difficult for 6 protons to hold 10 electrons. Means carbon cannot form C4 minus ion, because to form C4 minus, that is negative ion, it has to accept electrons. It will have to accept 4 electrons, and suppose it accepts 4 electrons, then the total number of electrons in an atom of carbon will be 10, because it is already having 6 electrons. And if it accepts 4 electrons, then the total number of electrons the carbon atom has will be 10. 6 plus 4, 10. But number of protons will be same, that is 6 itself. Number of protons does not change. Means total number of positive charges is 6 and total number of negative charges will be then 10. It will be very difficult for 6 positive charges to hold on 10 negative charges. It will be very difficult for 6 protons to hold on 10 electrons. That's why carbon is not capable of forming C4 minus ion by gaining 4 electrons. So carbon takes an intermediate path, because it does not lose 4 electrons, it does not gain 4 electrons. In spite of that, huge number of carbon compounds are there, because it only shares electrons, neither lose nor gains. It only shares electrons to form compounds. That's why all carbon compounds are called covalent compounds. For example, this hydrogen molecule is a covalent compound or covalent molecule. This is oxygen, this is nitrogen. Hydrogen is having single bond, oxygen is having double bond, and nitrogen is having triple bond. That you will have to memorize. Thank you.